Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how you can restore deleted WhatsApp messages really quickly. So let's get started. In the first step, launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone, be it iPhone or Android. And what you want to do next, guys, is delete the message you sent to a contact previously. Like for example, I'm going to delete that message here. As you can see, it has been deleted successfully. So what you want to do next, guys, is head back to your smartphone's home screen and head over to your smartphone's internal storage. On Android, for example, you can access your internal storage through a folder like this here, Files. Tap on it. Next, scroll down to the bottom and select internal storage under this section here, all storage. Next, scroll down to the very bottom of the list till you get to WhatsApp. Tap on it. Next, select databases. What you want to do next, guys, is make sure you select all the files you see displayed here in that folder. Once selected, click on these three dots here in the top right corner and select copy to. Scroll down again till you get to the WhatsApp application, and after that select backups as your folder. Tap on new folder to create a new folder and name it, for example, backup 01 or backup 02. Confirm by tapping on that button here in the bottom right corner, copy to folder. And that's basically that will allow you to restore your previously deleted message through a backup in your WhatsApp application, so that now you may launch that backup and get access to these deleted messages. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.